Yo, what's good everybody? Demoralized here, bringing y'all a new video. It's been about 7 months since I've uploaded to my channel, and that's because I no longer have the white car. I will explain in a different video what happened to it and why I no longer have that car. But today we have another 3-valve. I'm sticking with the 3V gang, can't disrespect y'all. And today we're going to be changing the coils on that one, something I didn't get to do on the old one, do spark plugs, coils, all that. So today I'm going to be changing out the coils. So I'm going to be putting in the MSD Street Fire coils. I also have the spark plugs. My friend and I tried to install them ourselves, but I know the 3-valve and 5.4 and 4 is for having spark plugs broken inside of them. So I said, if I mess up, I'd rather someone else pay for it instead of me getting screwed and having to pay someone to take the plug out for me. So that's why I didn't do those. But the coils are pretty straightforward, because all you got to do is unbolt the bolt there, and then basically press these into the spark plug, and then attach the sensor here. So it's a pretty straightforward. Both of them are pretty straightforward, honestly. It's just a matter of I didn't want to strip or break anything inside the car and then have to pay for it later down the line. So I rather, if I mess up on these, whenever I take it somewhere to get these installed, it's the same thing. It's just they got to take these off to get to those. So if I mess up here, I'm not concerned, because I can take it somewhere and get these both fixed. So I already did it for all of these right here, where you're basically just pulling the sensor off. So I saved this one for last, where you just push on the tab and pull up, and that's all there is to pulling that sensor out. And then all you have to do is unscrew these, and then your coil is good to be pulled out. I'm gonna knock this side out real quick and show you guys the finished product. Oof. That was awful. These coils are burnt the fuck up. Of the old coils off, and they do look pretty nasty. Like, look at this one. So this car had one owner before me, and this car has 167,000 miles on it. I don't know how well it was maintained. He said everything was good. He replaced some stuff before I bought it, but clearly the plugs and spark plugs weren't one of them, or the CoilPacks and spark plugs weren't one of them. I did the oil change as soon as I got the car, so that's good. But yeah, this car needs some TLC, but you know what? I'm down for it. So I just want to show you guys a little before and after. So these are the old coils, all burnt up, ugly looking. Look at all that. Compared to the MSD Street Fires, very clean looking coil, super nice little inside. Don't worry about the engine bay. I know it's dirty. It's gonna get detailed. I haven't even washed the car. I've owned the car for almost a month. Haven't even washed it yet. But I'm gonna get these installed on the passenger side. It shouldn't take me more than like 3 minutes to get it in there, and then I'm gonna tackle the driver's side. And the bad thing, so when I bought this car, when me and my friends were trying to change the spark plugs, we noticed something, that this coil was actually broken. So the bolt is still attached there, but I was able to just yank this coil out. So obviously you don't want that to happen. So that was another reason for me to jump on the trigger and buy these new ones. All right, so here are the new coils in play. So I think this bolt right here got like cross threaded or stripped or something, because it won't tighten all the way. but the coil is in there, so that's all that matters. And it moves a little bit, but that's because the bolt can't hold it in place, but it's all the way on there. It's on the spark plug, can't go any deeper. But if you don't have a bad bolt like that, then they shouldn't be able to move. So that's what they look like over there. And then these are the old ones that we got to tackle over here. All right, finished the driver's side. I didn't want to film it because it's literally the same process as the other side. Got all the coils in. I had the same issue on the other side with the bolt not tightening all the way down, but that's whatever. The coil is fully on the plug, so that's all I was really concerned about. But that's basically how you change your coils in a brief run. I just wanted to do this as, you know, basic maintenance for buying a new car. I feel like if it's not a super new car or low mileage, I feel like you should do this if you buy a car over 100K like I did. It's just, you know, basic precautions just to make sure your purchase was worth it in the long run. But now we got to test it. So I got my code reader right here. My only current codes I have are for my O2 sensors because I am catless. So obviously that's gonna throw a code. I'll get that tuned off. Earlier I had a cylinder 3 pending code. Now I have only my O2 sensor still. So obviously the coils fixed my little issue I had here. So I am much appreciative to that, and it was a pretty simple install. You know you worked hard when your hands look like this. So I appreciate you guys tuning in today's video. I'm loving the car. I'm low-key feeling black. I like the white and black theme I had with the other one going on, but black is kind of growing on me. I'm not doing the whole murdered out look, although I'm probably gonna black out the GT badges, probably plasti dip them or something. I don't know. I did that with the other one. I did like that look because the whole chrome is ugly. I don't like the chrome. So the wheels going, those are ugly. GT badge getting dipped. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in to today's video. If you want the MSD coils, I got mine from Advanced Auto. You can get them off at American Muscle. I think CJ Pony Parts has them as well, so you guys can check them out. They're about 160 bucks, 170, but I used discount codes and my points I had saved up, so it was a little cheaper for me, but still pretty affordable. And the spark plugs, they were like, I don't even think they were that much. I think they're like 40 bucks, something like that. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in today's video. Be sure to drop a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.